How to recover or reset your FreshBooks password. Forgot your FreshBooks password? Don't worry. Here's the quick way to recover or reset it. So, start at the FreshBooks login page. Click on this Forgot Your Password button, and then from here, go ahead and enter the email address you've used for your account. Then click on Send Reset Link. So check your inbox for the reset email. If you don't see it, look in your spam or junk folder. Click the link in the email, enter a strong new password, confirm it, and save. Return to the login page and sign in with your new password, and you're back in. Make sure you use the correct email. Reset links expire quickly, so request a new one if needed. Resetting your FreshBooks password is fast and secure. Whether you're a freelancer or running a business, you'll be back to work in minutes.